Oh, sir, kalau oh.
Something of that sort will be and as far as I have got from C, they just mentioned that the meeting will take place in this particular and this is the peaceful meeting. And so if you go there and so if there is any chaos. No. Yeah, if there is a show of dominance, show of strength, like so many people, what if there is a single person? What if the people come and they try to harm any one of us? You understand what will happen then? Because you see in June the both CM come back. No, listen to me. Both CM of Meghalaya and CM of Assam are going to sit together and they are going to resolve it. Until unless can we just maintain the status quo and not go there? Because I have clear instruction from my superiors that not to allow me, because I am just newly appointed as border magistrate and they told me clearly that they are going to hold a meeting, let them conduct it, but please don't allow them to go to the place of occurrence.
Tell me where is the exact boundary? Where is the exact boundary? Just tell me where is the exact boundary.
See, these are issues that you have to
as you told me that you
are
just
following the orders.
Yes.
And my clear.
I respect you. I respect. Please tell me where is the exact boundary.
See, I'm not liable to answer this. But the problem here is I got
this is the boundary. This is the boundary.
So, no, you guys have just asked.
This is the border.
And the meeting will take place where the venue has been decided.
Please tell me where is the exit. If this is the exact border, then we are going to stop. We will not cross our boundaries. We will stay within our boundaries. We are not going to cross our boundaries, and we are not going to create any chaos. We'll just go and see what is happening there in our boundaries. We will try to maintain peace. We are not going to create any chaos. We'll send a message to the people of the Meghalaya that we are not going to create any chaos here. That's what we came. We don't have any weapons. We have nothing. We came in a free hand.
That is the only thing. No? What if they
we can reply. We can reply, and you can reply. No.
Why do you have to give them
No. You see.
If you would have cooperated me, you would have understand what I am trying to say now.
Why should we take permission to go our lane, sir?
This is our genuine lane. What is the problem? If we just go and visit our own lane.
Law and order issue can be there. That is why I am asked not to allow anyone to visit there. Okay?
No, actually our border is not here now. Then you should have to stay there in the border.
There is a chance. That is why I am not allowing you. Or I am asked not to allow you. This is not my individual decision, but this is the decision of the district.